Featuring a space-saving upright design that fits almost anywhere, the Winter 95-quart portable freezer refrigerator is a cost-effective and mobile solution for your merchandising and critical freezing requirements. Its highly efficient compressor cooling system is easily powered by a standard AC 110-volt outlet or a DC 12-volt power source, such as a car battery. All Winter portable freezer refrigerator units can be used as a true freezer or a refrigerator with temperature ranges between -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Optional wheels can be added to make it easy to move your freezer as needed, plus the wheels are easily locked when you need to keep the freezer in place. The extra large capacity and removable basket are sure to meet your storage needs. The unit is also equipped with an interior LED light which automatically illuminates when the door is open. It also comes with a warning light to help protect against a dead battery. Also, an open door alarm feature which sounds if the freezer door is left open for longer than 3 minutes. The tough and solid outer case makes them resistant to any jostling or bumps. The compressor of these freezers functions even when tilted 30 degrees. The Winter FM 951GW 95-quart portable wheeled freezer truly is top of the line for ease of use, versatility, and overall freezing and cooling power.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CRF 320SS, the 3.1 cubic foot Energy Star rated refrigerator freezer. Now, as you can see, this unit does have the refrigerator on the bottom and the freezer on top. Let's start with the refrigerator. Inside the door, it has a soda can dispenser. In fact, the door can even hold a 2-liter bottle of soda. It also has 2 shelves, one of which is adjustable, and a crisper drawer. The freezer is about 1 cubic foot and is a true 0-degree freezer. That means it gets all the way down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this unit is perfect for dorms, offices, any small space where you need a refrigerator. Finally, as you can see, the CRF 320SS has a black cabinet and true stainless steel doors. Speaking of the doors, they are totally reversible, which means you can change the orientation to whatever's more convenient for you. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CRF 320SS, the Energy Star rated 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. Pick one up today.
The EdgeStar line of 12-volt DC portable fridge freezers are the perfect companion for road trips and camping. With a full-range digital thermostat that can be set from -8 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, these units can operate as either a refrigerator or freezer. Included are cables for both AC and DC power, and the cooler can run off standard household voltage or easily connect to the cigarette lighter in your car. These units are available in 43, 63, and 80-quart capacity, which gives you plenty of space to keep essential items on hand and chilled at the necessary temperature. The compressor-based cooling system freezes quickly, and the fast freeze button cools the compartment down to -8 degrees Fahrenheit in a matter of minutes. Even if the power fails, the insulated walls and lid of the unit will keep the contents cold for quite some time. 2 removable wire baskets are included for efficient storage, and the side grip comfort handles make the fridge easy to move as needed. Take an EdgeStar 12-volt portable fridge on the road with you, and you'll never be able to use an ordinary cooler ever again.
Our freezers range from compact to full size, which will be sure to fit any space. This Winter CUF 210SS 2.1 cubic foot stainless steel upright freezer is relatively compact. The sleek stainless steel door finish and black cabinets that will never go out of style. With 6 thermostat settings and temperature range between -10 degrees Fahrenheit to -2 degrees Fahrenheit, this freezer will keep your items nice and frozen. Its efficiently organized 2.1 cubic foot interior volume can help you keep your frozen foods perfectly preserved. Inside of the cabinet is an open area with 2 removable flat slide-out wire shelves for easy access to your everyday items. The lock feature on this unit provides additional security for sensitive contents. As an Energy Star rated appliance, this upright freezer will help you keep your energy costs down.
trusted Kenmore appliance is now only a few clicks away on Amazon.com. And getting it from your shopping cart to your front door couldn't be easier. Before checkout, be sure to measure your space. If needed, confirm the kind of hookups your appliance requires, gas or electric. And walk the path of delivery so your new appliance fits when it arrives. Once you've selected your appliance, choose an extended Kenmore warranty and then click to buy. Pick a delivery time and let Kenmore handle the rest. The Innovel delivery team will email you a delivery checklist. Be sure to complete the list prior to their arrival to help ensure a smooth delivery. Then sit back while the Innovel delivery team does the heavy lifting. Innovel provides free delivery. They'll hook up your new appliance complete with connection kits, so you don't need to buy any extra accessories. They'll even haul away your old appliance. Now that's smart shopping made easy. That's Kenmore Appliances on Amazon.com.